Hey everybody, it's TheDollBoy, and today I'll show you how I created a Gamora doll in collaboration with Ariana's Ladies 328. Gamora is one of the main characters from the movie Guardians of the Galaxy, and ever since I saw the movie, I wanted to make a doll inspired by her. Since I'm not that good at repainting faces, I reached out to the incredibly talented Ariana and asked if she could repaint Gamora's face. For this project, we wanted to use a doll that already had green skin, so we decided to use Casta Fierce from Monster High. I got her off a second-hand website, but she was still in pretty good condition. She came with her entire outfit, boots, and bracelets, and her hair was in pretty good condition as well. But for Gamora, we won't be using her original hair, so I cut it off as short as possible and take out all of the hair to prepare for the reroot. If you want a more detailed look on how I reroot my dolls, make sure to watch that separate video by clicking the iCard in the screen. To match Gamora's ombre hair, I reroot the hairline of the doll in a really dark brown color, adding a few red highlights in as I go. The hair I'm using for this is saran hair from dollyhair.com in the color Bitter Chocolate Brown. After rerouting the entire hairline and part, I thin out the ends of this dark hair really well using my thinning scissors. This makes sure the dark hair gets shorter and really thinned out at the ends, which makes it fade nicely into the red hair that I'm adding in the middle of the head to get that ombre look Gamora has in the movies. The red hair I'm using is long saran hair from dollyhair.com in the colors Red Red Wine and Pillarbox Red. After rerouting the entire head, this is what the color looks like. As you can see, the way I rooted the hair and thinned out the brown hair created an ombre effect, fading from dark to the red color. To make the entire hairstyle blend even better, I cut the hair in a straight line, giving the hair some slight layers in the front as well. After the haircut, I curl Gamora's hair away from the face using straws, just like I show in my doll hair curling tutorial. To make sure shipping doesn't ruin the hair, after boil washing the curls, I wrap the hair back on curlers to keep the hair neat. And after that, I sent the doll to Ariana's Ladies 328 for the new face up. I was really excited for the sassy green lips, brown eyes, and silver linings on Gamora's face. As you can see, Ariana also filmed some footage in which she is creating Gamora's face. To give the doll's face more dimension, she worked in several layers using different shades of greens, browns, and black. In between layers, she used sealant to get the best color buildup, and that way she can also add several shades of brown in the irises for a more realistic eye. The pencils Ariana is using are the Inktense ones because of the great color payoff. Ariana's work is extremely detailed and even includes really pretty, thinly drawn eyelashes. In the bottom lash line, she used a pink Derwent watercolor pencil for a really soft finish of the eye. To give the eyes even more dimension, Ariana uses dark green pastels and brushes it on the eyelids. Then, for the silver markings, she used this metallic acrylic paint. As you can see, this paint has a really pretty shimmer to it. Using a thin nail detailing brush, she paints the details on the doll's face to really complete the Gamora look. After finishing that, she glosses the eyes and sent her back to me. The doll arrived really well packaged, and seeing the doll in real life for the first time, I was absolutely speechless about all the details Ariana managed to put in the face. As we both expected, shipping did mess up her hair a little bit, but the girls were still looking quite okay, so I was able to fix the hair by just brushing it all out and spraying it with water. And after letting the hair dry, our Gamora collaboration doll was done. I really hope you liked this entire process video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more pictures, make sure to follow both of our pages on Instagram, at arianasladies328 and at TheDollBoy. See you next time!